Sound control. You can use this to adjust the volume set. Click this button to exit the course anytime. Click Next to continue. Pre-assessment. By the end of this module, you will be able to identify motor as per its nameplate, analyze different motor standards, and explain various duty cycles. Click Next to continue.
I have a doubt.
Please tell me.
How will we identify that which motor is of what rating and class?
All motors come with a nameplate on them like this.
That's nice. Could you please tell me more about this?
Sure, come with me. Let us now learn the terminologies used for induction motor. Click each to know more. Model number, external physical dimension of the motor based on NEMA standard, specifies number of poles of the motor, serial number used for traceability, Motor load condition, whether it is continuous load, short time, 60, 30, 15, 5, etc. minutes, intermittent, etc. Specifies whether the motor windings are star Y connected or delta connected. Rated terminal supply voltage. Insulation class used for the motor construction. This specifies max limit of the motor winding temperature. Different type of standard mounting features. Rated full load supply current. This specifies to which NEMA design class the motor belongs to. Ingress protection ensures that dirt, moisture, water, etc. will not be allowed to enter in the motor. Rated motor shaft output. Factor by which the motor can be overloaded beyond the full load. SF equals to 1.10 means a 20 HP motor can be safely loaded by a load of 20 plus 2 equals to 22 HP. Locked rotor AMP is the inrush of current drawn by motor when it is started direct online. Rated full load speed of the motor. Motor operating efficiency gives an idea how well the electrical power is converted into mechanical power. The time for which motor can continue to draw LRA without being damaged. Rated supply frequency. Specifies number of stator phases of the motor. Open drift proof ODP, totally enclosed fan cooled TEFC, totally enclosed non-ventilated TENV, explosion proof. Click next to continue. As we know that IP has 2 digits and each digit has its own distinct meaning. Click each to know more. For level 1, if size is less than 50, then it will be effective against any large surface of the body, such as the back of a hand, but protection against deliberate contact with a body part. For level 2, if size is less than 12.5, then it will be effective against fingers or similar objects. For level 3, if size is less than 2.5, then it will be effective against tools, thick wires, etc. For level 4, if size is less than 1, then it will be effective against most wires, screws, etc. For level 5, if size is like dust, then ingress of dust is prevented to some extent. For level 6, if size is dust protected, then there will be no ingress of dust and there will be complete protection against contact, that is, dust tight. Click next to continue. For level 0, no protection is given. For level 1, if it is like dripping water, then it will be effective against dripping water or vertically falling drops. For level 2, if dripping water is tilted up to 15 degrees, then vertically dripping water shall have no harmful effect when the enclosure is tilted at an angle up to 15 degrees from its normal position. For level 3 and spraying water, then water falling as a spray at any angle up to 60 degrees from the vertical shall have no harmful effect. For level 4, if it is splashing water, water splashing against the enclosure from any direction shall have no harmful effect. For level 5, if it is water jets, then water projected by a nozzle 6.3 mm against enclosure from any direction shall have no harmful effects. For level 6, if it is powerful water jet, then water projected in powerful jets of 12.5 mm nozzle against the enclosure from any direction shall have no harmful effects. For level 7, if it is below 1 m water, then enclosure is immersed in water under defined conditions of pressure. Click Next to continue. Click Next to continue. Worldwide, various standards exist which specifies various operating and constructional parameters of a motor. The two most widely used standards are 1. NEMA, National Electrical Manufacturers Association. It mainly associated with motors used in North America. 2. IEC, International Electrotechnical Commission. It is an European-based organization. It uses metric dimensions. Click Next to continue. In this section of the module, we will learn about the NEMA design letter. To suit different requirements, NEMA has specified 4 types of motor design, which are as follows. NEMA Design A, NEMA Design B, which is used for general purpose, NEMA Design C, and NEMA Design D. As shown in the graph, different NEMA curve will have different torque at a particular slip. Click here to see the application of each NEMA design class. Click Next to continue. There are 9 types of duty cycles. Click each to know more. S1 is continuous running and it operates at constant load to reach thermal equilibrium. S2 is short time duty and its operation at constant load during a given time is less than what required to reach thermal equilibrium. S3 is intermittent periodic duty and a sequence of identical duty cycle. Each includes a period of operation at constant load and then rest without disconnecting the mains. For this type of duty, starting current does not significantly affect temp rise. S4 is intermittent periodic with starting and a sequence of identical duty cycle. Each includes a significant period for starting, a period under operation at constant load, and a rest period. S5 is intermittent periodic with electric braking. It is a sequence of identical duty cycle. Each includes a significant period for starting, a period under operation at constant load, followed by rapid electrical braking and a rest period. S6 is continuous operation periodic duty and it gives a sequence of identical duty cycle. Each includes a period of operation at constant load and a period of operation at no load. There is no rest period as well. S7 is continuous operation periodic duty with electric braking and it comes with a sequence of identical duty cycle. Each includes a period of starting, a period of operation at constant load followed by electrical braking. There is no rest period. S8 is continuous operation periodic duty with related load and speed changes and it comes with a sequence of identical duty cycle. Each consists of a period of operation at constant load at a predefined speed followed by one or more period of operation at another constant load at a different speed. There is no rest period. Period of duty is too short to reach thermal equilibrium. S9 is duty with non-periodic load and speed variation and it comes with duty in which load and speed vary non-periodically within permissible range. This duty includes frequent overloads that may exceed the full loads. Click Next to continue. Post-assessment. Thanks. You have completed the course.